The Great Santa Stakeout by Betsy Bird. Freddie Melcher was Santa's #1 fan. He was the kind of kid who'd dress up as Santa for birthday parties. And Valentine's Day. And even Talk Like a Pirate Day. Freddie had Santa posters, Santa action figures, and Santa underwear. He was even saving up to buy his own pet reindeer. But there was one prize Freddie desperately wanted. A photograph taken with Santa, fresh out of the chimney. Oh, it was risky. As every good kid knows, Santa only visits when everyone's in bed. It's awfully hard to sneak anything by someone who can see you when you're sleeping and knows when you're awake. That's why Freddie had to be extra good this year at hiding his plans. Step 1 in Freddie's plan: string the roof with cans so the sleigh can't land undetected. Step 2: rig the whole living room with motion-sensitive cameras. Step 3: put the milk and cookies on a pressure-sensitive plate. Step 4: practice staying up late. Finally, it was here, Christmas Eve. No one suspected a thing. Freddie was vigilant. It was almost midnight, and Santa should be here any second. Yeah, any... Crash! What was that? The cans on the roof? Freddie raced to the window just in time to see... disaster! Something big rolled right off the roof. Freddie tore outside. What had he done? Santa Claus, North Pole. Nice try, Freddie. Santa. Santa had dumped him and dashed. Freddie was... angry? No, that's not it. Embarrassed? No, not that either. He was sobbing his heart out, pounding the snow, having the most broken tantrum of his short life. Well, actually, Freddie felt... fantastic! While other kids nestled and snug in their beds, Freddie had played hide and seek with his hero. He even had a note from Santa that he could add to his collection. So what if Santa got away this year? It's fine. Maybe it's for the best. Maybe no one can outwit Santa Claus. No one, that is, except Freddie. Hey! There's always next year. Okay, friends, that's the end of our story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.